Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to maintain the optimal battery health on your RAZER BlackWidow V3 keyboard. So, as you can see here we have our keyboard, and to maintain the optimal battery health we have to at first make sure that we are charging our keyboard to 100% and not let this keyboard be out of charge, and we have to make sure that our keyboard is not lost and stayed out for a long time. It may damage our battery for the permanent term, and yeah, we have to make sure that we don't do that. Apart from that, we have to make sure that we turn off our keyboard after using it. So if you turn off our PC, it's recommended to pull the switch to the mid position here. You have to use sometimes your keyboard wirelessly, because if it's only connected wired, it may damage your battery too. It's because of the staying at 100%. And that's really it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.